Hello, welcome to the very first episode on the YouTube channel Time with Malik. In this episode, I'm going to teach you the basics of Figma. Stay tuned. You might be wondering, what is Figma? Well, sit tight and enjoy this ride. So Figma is an interface design application that runs in the browser. Well, I'll actually say it's more than that. So Figma gives you all the tools you need for the design phase of a project, including vector tools, which are capable for fully fledged illustrations, as well as prototyping capabilities and code generations offhand. It helps a lot in UI designing. So when you launch your Figma app, you see the frame tool. Yeah, then you have options for the frame. You can choose which one you want. You see the move tool, that's used to select anything you're working on. Then you see the shape tool that has various shapes and place image. You can see you can pick rectangle, you can pick the ellipse, you can also pick the line. Yes, the line tool. Then you pick the polygon. You can select any size you want, which I will show in the next video. You can also pick the star tool. So the shape tool has a lot of tools that you can use into customizing the design to however you want it. Then you can place image also, that can also be found in the shape tool. So I've placed an image as you are seeing there. Then we have, so where I'm pointing at is the work area. That's where everything I'm working on will be placed on. Yes, the work area. So the work area. We also have the pen tool. The pen tool can be used to create various shapes. It has its uses. Any designer has its particular use. We have the text tool. You can use to create your text. It has a text field, so you automatically write text in there. You can later customize this text into anyhow you want it to be. Then you have the move tool. It moves the whole work area, whatever you're working on, moves everything for you. So it moves like the screen of the work area. Then we have the comment tool. The comment tool, you see, people work in groups. Figma allows you to work in groups, so you can use the comment tool to select wherever you want your fellow collaborators see what you are doing. You can change the size of the rectangle. You can also customize the borders, as I'm doing now. I'm customizing the borders of the rectangle. Yes, you can also change the angle. Okay, I'll do that with line. So with the line tool, so I'm now changing the angles. You can be able to do that using Figma. So I've customized it to the style I want. Then I can also change the color. So there you see that you can change color at the fill portion. So I'll change the color to any. We can either write the color code or select from the color wheel. Yes. So it has various. You have the stroke. You can also change the color of the stroke. So stroke around the object you want. You can also add gradients, maybe linear, angular, whatever gradient you want to add to your design. Color gradient. I hope you know what color gradient is. Yes, and we have effects. We have various effects. We have the drop shadow. You can also change the width of the shadow, as you can see I'm doing. And you can also change the image. You can crop it to whatever size you want. Figma allows you to do that. You can also add stroke to the borders of the image. You can also add effects, be it the drop shadow, inner layer, whatever it is. Then you can also change the text. Also edit the text, format the text to whatever customization you want. And I will continue this video in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.